Well, we decided to get off at Beach and Yacht Club.
Yacht Club. It's so beautiful during the day.
Is.
Holy moly.
It's like a whole big resort by itself or something.
We vlogged here at night when we went to Beaches and Cream.
We were just gonna ride all the way to Epcot, but then Britt was like, I want a milkshake.
So we're gonna see if we can grab one of Beaches and Cream before we go to Epcot. And we're just gonna do World Showcase. Surprise, surprise.
Yeah.
Just probably walk around one time, then we might.
Hey, bird.
Oh.
No, don't touch me.
Don't touch me. Yeah, bird.
Not a bit crazy. You have any food though? I'll take some food.
Hi, bird. Bird.
I don't trust you, human. Unless there's food in that hand. But this is a sneak attack, isn't it?
What's he doing, that bird?
I don't know about this. Ah!
Yeah, he's my friend. What's your name? His name's Scuttle.
Scuttle.
It's Scuttle. Bye, Scuttle. Bye, baby.
This here is a dingle hopper.
It's fitting, don't you think?
Yeah.
I wanna be where the milkshakes are. I wanna see the cookies and cream.
It's so good, y'all.
It is though.
So that's the Yacht Club.
This is where I got my pick a pearl last time.
Yeah.
I've that little hut right there.
Straight ahead.
And not until tomorrow.
Yep.
Ooh, this is nice.
Yeah, if you stay here,
No swimming.
either here or at the beach club, then you have this little beach area outside. You can't swim, but you can sit up here and chill in the sand.
It's just the yacht and the beach.
Yeah.
It's not the yacht and beach and swim in the ocean. Like club.
Yeah.
Yes, the beach. So Beaches and Club. Beaches and Cream. It's not over there. So
Is Cape May at yacht or beach?
Cape May is at Beach Club.
Okay. That's where Britt got her pearl the first time together here.
Can we stay here?
I want to one day. I want to stay at the beach though, I think. So we're just gonna walk around until we find Beaches and Cream, guys. Lead the way, Britt. So this is Cape May.
And you go around Cape May and then it goes out to Double Doors and that leaves you like right there.
Beach Club.
Yeah. Or you can just get on the sidewalk, but we want to come to Cape May. Just in case that's how Walt stood dead in. This is like a maze in the resort. Like it's hard to get anywhere.
It really is. I mean, it looks like a beach here.
Which I'm glad we did because look.
Yeah, I kind of thought that might be the case.
Yeah, but we have to like scale the wall. Scale the wall. Yeah,
This place looks like a beach, you know?
You're kidding, right?
Martha's Vineyard. Who knew it was so close?
Oh, it's so awesome. I hope we can actually
Aerials. Alright, and it's gonna be right down here.
There it is. It's a little bit easier than last time to find, but it was still kind of far. But we actually went to the like totally different resort. We ended up in the yacht club.
Yeah. They have an amazing pool here though. So pretty. Here it is. Let's go in. I don't really want anything, but Britt wants a shake. So,
You don't have a reservation. There's just a side door. There's the main entrance. If you want like just a milkshake to go, if you want to try beaches and cream without like the food, there's a side door. You want some water and you just get a milkshake with no resi.
how's that milkshake, dear?
Oh, it's perfect, and it is so beautiful. I didn't ever realize how beautiful this resort was because we've been at night, but never in the day.
Yeah, you couldn't
Oh
see
my
across it as
gosh.
well and whatnot.
It's just like, I can't stop looking, but it's right over there. I'm gonna try to get my sunglasses out.
Oh Lord.
We'll be here a while.
The ever
Oh,
tug.
I got them already. That was fast.
So we really want to stay here one day.
I think this is my second favorite resort.
What's first?
Holly.
Yeah. The Poly
Probably
Beach.
want a Dole Whip.
It's like it offers two different pluses to each of them. For the Poly, you're that close to Magic,
Monorail.
and like, oh yeah, I mean that's what I mean. Like, you use the monorail. You also have Dole Whip downstairs. You have Kona, and you have Ohana, all at the same place.
Yep.
Plus, it just looks amazing. But then here, like, you have this incredible atmosphere,
And you have the boardwalk.
and you have the
Yacht
boardwalk.
Club.
You can go to the yacht
And you can
club,
walk to the
and then you can walk
Epcot.
into the back of Epcot, which would be super convenient
is
for
better,
us because
we
we
like the
spend
World
so much
Showcase
time at Epcot now.
And it goes to the World Showcase first.
Yeah, which is
To
where
the
we
front,
spend more time
instead
in
of having to walk all the way back. You're just right there.
Future World.
I love it.
See, I've walked this entire way with us almost into
Convenience-wise,
Epcot.
this is the best one.
Yeah.
Beaches, I mean, the Beach Club Resort is like the best as far as convenience for us. But as far as food, which is very important,
The Poly wins.
Polynesian is the most, the best for us. This milkshake is on point. It's not the most magical cup,
But it makes up for it with flavor.
the inside's what counts anyways. And on the inside of this cup is magic.
At Epcot again, or I don't know how many times now.
A lot.
A lot, yeah.
Well, and this is still the food and wine. I mean, the Flower Garden.
Yeah.
That's how I wanted to come back here just one more time. Go. Which way you want to go?
To the right.
To the right, all the countries. On the pathway to the right.
So beautiful today.
Oh, I've always seen this in like videos, but I've never been able to see it in person, and it gives me stress.
One positive I get
like,
today
oh,
was
Jared, come on.
at least he caught the cider.
Nice. That was good. Guess where we are again? Couldn't possibly be Japan, could it?
What is this all about?
It looks like a snuggle thing for bed or something.
Oh my gosh. It's $45.
Go back to your home, little guy.
Yeah.
Home on this rack here.
Color pencil. We never like looked around. Miniature dogs and no Ariel.
No love.
Sleeping cat no. Where's the awake cat? A dusting doll. Oh, that's cute. You take it out and you can dust your like keyboards and stuff. Huh.
Well then.
Oh, these are cool. You put them on the bottom of your feet, and I don't speak Japanese, so I don't know what happens after that. It looks like you put it on your feet like for relaxation.
Maybe so.
Or someone speaks Japanese. These are cute little bags. I like this bag. I guess they're like tiny bags, but they're really cute.
What you got?
A sore umbrella.
Sore umbrella. That'd be legit.
It even has like a carrying like arm strap.
I think it probably goes across your chest, but you got the idea there.
I've never been in a sword fight before, so I'm not keen on how to wear my umbrella sword. My umbrella. So Jared's like, Brittany, we cannot go to the Japan Pavilion again. All of our vlogs are going to be at Epcot in the Japan Pavilion. So we decided to walk up here. That's like beside the Japan Pavilion. I think this is the quick service Japanese place. I don't know what it's called, but yes, it's beautiful. That is so pretty. And it goes all the way down across the bridge. And then it goes all the way around. Yeah, that's where this is where it starts. It's up there. And this is what it's called. Katsura Grill. Let's see. They have a menu. We'll see what they've got. You know us, we're always looking for some food. So we're gonna see what they got in here. We've never been in here before.
We're always trying to find a new quick service.
Yeah, definitely.
Pretty much anywhere.
Huh. Oh, it smells so good in here. It smells like ramen noodles. Oh, okay, good. Okay, so this is what they have. They've got teriyaki, seafood, garlic shrimp. That looks good. They've got sushi. They've got a ton of stuff. So So they've got chicken, seafood, sushi, desserts. They have alcoholic beverages here. They've got edamame, miso soup, vegetables, all kinds of stuff. So yeah, this is a good place. Oh, they do. We tried that, didn't we?
Is that in China?
Yeah.
Of course, they have edamame.
I have a spicy roll, California roll, vegetable roll. I don't like sushi, so I don't know anything about any of that. So I would probably like a garlic shrimp. That sounds good. And so other than the garlic shrimp, I don't think there's anything.
Chicken cutlet,
Yeah, maybe.
fried chicken breast, steamed rice, and curry sauce.
Yeah, maybe so. Are you hungry?
No.
Me neither. So we just wanted to run in and look at it, look at the menu, and it's so neat in here. It's like there's no one in here.
And then you have so much like.
Oh yeah, and then there's outside seating. So
Not only here, but it's like so tranquil.
yeah, and it has all these lights. Oh, it would be beautiful at nighttime. You know, it would be so pretty. And it's kind of tucked away, like in the back of like the Japan. Like you have to walk upstairs and stuff. That's I guess we always walk by and we never see this.
Like
So,
that area over there.
oh, there's more seating. Whoa. Yeah.
I noticed the
Definitely
other
check
day
this out.
back there that I noticed the other day.
Okay. So there's more.
See, that's like really nice back there.
Yeah. Oh, and they have all the little trees, and then it tells you about them right here. And this is 45 years old. Wow. It is 40 years old. No way. What is it? Okay, it says, okay, the age is, this one's 18 years old. And this one is 30 years old. Holy mackerel. Presented by Adam Levine? No. Okay, who are these presented by? Bobby Block. We know Bobby Block, don't we? I don't know who that is. I don't know who that is. But the first one
Britt
is
definitely knows
presented
who
by
Adam Levine is.
Adam Levine. Can I have that tree? Can I take it home? Total fangirl right here. Adam Levine may or may not have touched that tree. What about this one?
30.
30 years old.
The tree's older than we are.
Yeah, all of those trees are, except for one of them is 18. Wow, that is so cool.
It's like it catches a lot of grass, I think, between these two buildings here.
Yeah. So, that was nice. That was a nice little discovery. Cool.
That's where they keep the ball here today.
I've never noticed that before, ever. Has anyone else noticed that they keep the globe right beside the American Pavilion? Like, where they do like Voices of Liberty sometimes, and then the music machines. Isn't that what they're called, music machines? Anyways, a little stage that people sing at. They keep the ball right there. I've never noticed that before. Oh, lots of learning. It's been an eventful day. Yeah, American Music Machine.
Disney at Heart continues to learn.
Every day that we come to any park at Epcot or any park at Walt Disney World, we learn new things. There's always things to learn here. That's always, everybody always says, are you tired of going there? I'm like, no, because we learn something new every time we go. There's seriously a new adventure every time. So, okay, we're gonna just cruise around. So we made it to Germany, and this is on Jared's bucket list. Jared's, not mine. He's wanted to try a strudel from Germany.
Pillsbury apple strudels out of a can are like my favorite thing ever in the entire
Because
world,
this is
pretty
the
much.
same thing. This has like white, I guess,
I think
sauce.
it has
Oh,
regular
look.
ice.
Look, dear. Okay, so.
So this has like regular icing on top and then powdered sugar.
Huh. It smells good.
We'll see. Here we go.
Strudel's up.
It's good.
It is? You like it?
I thought it'd be warm, but it's cold.
You like it though?
Not
Is it?
warm, but
Is
it has a good taste to it.
Is it better than you thought it was gonna be?
No.
No. I thought whenever you got it though, you were like, I don't know about this. It looks kind of funny.
It's like so watery, rainy or whatever all this like icing is, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know. I was expecting it to be. I don't know. I was expecting it to be something.
American.
I guess. Maybe. And then the fact that it's cold kind of throws me off too, because I always eat mine warm.
But you've been wanting something sweet. Like, Jared's had a sweet tooth for real this trip. Like, he's like, I need something sweet. I want something sweet. I want a cinnamon roll from Gaston's Tavern.
Which you only got one of.
We'll get one tonight. But it looks delicious. I can't believe they put icing on it and then they put powdered sugar on top of it. They're like, we'll make sure you get a sugar
Want
coma.
some carbs? There you go.
Oh my gosh, these ducks.
I love this one.
They're giving me a heart attack. Are there any more coming?
Not on the
There was one that was sitting here forever, and then we looked at him. As soon as we looked at him, he flew over our heads that way, and then got his friends and just flew back and splashed. They're just hanging out. Oh, what's he doing? What's he eating? Ugh. He's like, yum. Gross duck.
He had to go get his lady friend and tell her to come over here.
Bad Donald. That's gross. Where'd Daisy go?
There's Daisy.
You see Daisy? Oh, he's eating like soggy bread. Oh, there's Daisy. Oh, she's beautiful. Okay, so Jared ate it, and I tried it, or I tried to try it, but it was really like they kept it in the refrigerator. It wasn't just like it had lost its warmth. It was like came out of the refrigerator cold. So that is kind of weird. Anything appley is supposed to be kind of warm.
Maybe that's an American thing.
Maybe so. Maybe they don't have microwaves in Germany. So next stop is, I guess, to China. We're gonna get another slush.
It's supposed to be Norway, but only
What? You don't want to go Norway? Me neither. There's nothing there. We can't afford Norway. Oh, hey Daisy. Hey Daisy. Oh, hey Daisy.
I don't know how that got there.
Hey Daisy. Up she goes. Oh. She said, give me some more. Give me some more. Give me some more. Hello. Hi, sir. These ducks are
Crazy.
But, excuse me, sir.
I am hungry.
Yes, Germany. Now we are headed to
Not Norway.
not Norway. Well, China comes first anyway, so yeah, we're off to China. Through the African safari, we're gonna hop through Animal Kingdom real quick. So if we wanted to do 4 kingdoms, it's kind of like we're doing 4 parks in one day because we've got this like little African area in Epcot.
We'll just say 3.5.
Yeah, 3.5 parks in one day. Hey, we can do it.
Still watch Deadliest Catch.
You watch what?
Deadliest Catch.
Deadliest Catch. She's talking about Deadliest Catch. But I do want to get another one of those violet drinks. The violet lemonade, it was good. And I've got my ears that match the drink. Hey, why not? Made it to China. And Jared's getting our last mango green tea slush. Or I guess mango slush. It's still on the sign. It says mango green tea. Oh, it says mango green tea smoothie now. Okay, but it's still called a mango green tea smoothie.
We're sharing today, my friend.
Oh, you got 2 of them. Whoa, I didn't even realize that. Whoa, go big or go home. Getting a little splurgy today.
Last day here.
Last day, we don't have to share. Super nice. Thanks, babe.
I don't know what.
You didn't even want a strawberry one. We got 2 mangoes.
I thought about strawberry, but it's just so hard to pass on the mango. It's so good.
We definitely
Not
learned.
that the strawberry was bad.
No, strawberry was good, but I like the mango.
I would have to be
mango
more
is
in the
so
mood
good, yeah.
for the strawberry to take that over the mango.
Yeah, they're both great. We just like the mango better. Do you get that? We like the mango. Oh, beautiful.
What's going on here?
Everybody's just taking a picture with Elsa and Anna. So, I'm still in the midst. I don't know if I want to do Studios,
Everybody's starting.
our Magic Kingdom.
You can tell.
Everybody's starting their weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye, school bread. See you later.
See you late. Back in May.
Maybe when we come back, I think it'll be for the Frozen ride. I think so. I think it's supposed
Yeah,
to
it
be in
opens in
May.
it. Oh, is it May
It may
3rd?
be May or April, but I think it'll be there again. So we'll see.
I know River of Lights will be here. Good to
Oh
go.
yeah, it starts next month, huh?
Yep.
Mmm. Brain freeze. By the way, this totally works. If you have a brain freeze, take your thumb and push on the top of your mouth, on the roof of your mouth, the warmth of your finger
Good.
warms it up. And it makes your brain freeze go away. You're welcome.
Well, we decided to peace out from Epcot for the last time on this trip, but we couldn't escape without Britt finally getting popcorn again.
That's the best popcorn stand.
So, you knew that was coming. So now we're about to do a little monorail hopping to get to Magic. We'll take this one to the, was it TTC? Ticket and Transport Center or whatever?
I don't know, that's what you call it. I don't think anybody else calls it that but you.
And then from that one to Magic. These beautiful flowers, y'all. How cool is that? They do such an awesome job with all these arrangements for flower and garden. It's crazy. Hey there.
What happens? We have earshot.
Britt's taking pictures with her ears. Those match perfect. Catching that Epcot monorail.
And Disney Magic's happened. There's almost
Disney
no
Magic, we
line.
walked straight up this ramp all the way up to here.
Every time we catch
We've
a
never done
monorail
that
at
before.
Epcot, there's always a super line.
See you later, Epcot. Till next time. See you real soon.
Bye, Judy. Love ya.
Stay classy for us. Which way you want to go? All right, what color is it gonna be?
Yellow.
I'm saying green.
You're wrong.
As if. So you say yellow, I say green. We'll see shortly. It's yellow. Well, Britt was right. It's yellow. Mustard was the winner. Yellow it is. Off to the Magic Kingdom.
alejado de la puerta.
Off we go.
To Magic Kingdom.